It's all about unity. It's all about solidarity. The wind started blowing. We needed some extra help, some extra hands on the flag, and we had to carry it back. The wind is still blowing.
So I think it's up to all the funders to start pulling back their money now, because clearly there's 20,000 plus people here all standing against this, and we need to show the world, not just this country, not just North Dakota, everybody in the world, that we won't stand for this.
Big money no more, guys.
No.
Big money no more. That's it. They got to get done by January 1st, and it isn't like it's going to happen. So they're going to charge me like $8 million a month. Hopefully everybody starts backing out, you know.
So you're saying it's sort of on the funders to back out,
Correct.
but you don't believe Dakota Access is going to stop building?
Correct.
Hmm.
That's right.